I bought a Cadillac CTS 4 2009 for $100. In this video, I'm going to share with you some details about the car, what's wrong with it, and why I paid so little for it. Let's get started. So I'm going to do a quick walk around. It's a 2009 Cadillac CTS 4. As you can see, it's not in bad shape. It does have a dent there. You can see over here, and I have the title for it. I made sure I bought it from the owner. I'll do a quick view of this side. I mean, it's in one shape. So what's the catch? The car has a bad transmission. In 1 second, we'll go inside. See if I can start it right up. Look, it even starts right up. It's showing it has, let's check in a second. Let me lock the door. $92,340 miles, and I paid only $100 for it. Is that a great deal or what? It's a great deal. The plan is it does have a bad transmission, so if you put it into drive, it just whines like crazy. And look, it even came with a full tank of gas. Bottom line, it does have a bad transmission, but I paid $100 for it. So junk it or save it? That's the question here. And I can junk it for 500 bucks. I paid $100 for it, and they will come and do it for 500 bucks. So let me know what you think. Junk it or save it.